Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you save money and score the best deals. Today, we're diving into how to get Temu coupon code 2025. With Temu's explosive growth, grabbing coupon codes has never been easier, and it's a game changer for your wallet in the new year. Whether you're a Temu newbie or a pro, these steps will have you unlocking discounts in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to the Temu website or download the app from your phone's app store. It's free and super quick. Just search for Temu and hit install. Once you're in, the next step is to create an account if you haven't already. Sign up with your email or phone number, and don't forget to verify it to unlock exclusive offers. This is where the magic starts. Now, navigate to the promotions or deals section. Temu regularly updates their site with fresh coupon codes, especially for 2025 events like Black Friday or seasonal sales. Look for banners or pop-ups that say, "Get code," or "Apply coupon." Pro tip: use the search bar to type in "coupons" for personalized recommendations based on your shopping history. Another awesome way is through referrals. Share your unique referral code with friends. When they make a purchase, you both get rewards. Plus, subscribe to Temu's newsletter for direct emails with the latest codes. It's like having a secret savings club in your inbox. Be sure to check the terms, as some codes expire quickly or have minimum spend requirements. One more hack: follow Temu on social media platforms like Instagram or Twitter. They often drop exclusive codes in their stories or posts. By 2025, Temu might even have AI-powered personalized coupons, so keep an eye out for that tech upgrade. There you have it, folks, a straightforward guide to scoring Temu coupon codes in 2025. Start saving today and make every purchase count. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your coupon success stories in the comments below. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.